Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're joining me today. We're diving into a product that promises to deliver smooth, bold color with a soft focus finish while keeping things comfortable on your lips all day long. Yes, I'm talking about the Revolution Beauty London Air Blur Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Chauffeur Nude. Now, matte lipsticks have been on the radar for a while, but this one claims to be different, offering long-lasting color with no cracking, no caking, and no drying. Sounds promising, right? Let's see how it actually performs. This liquid lipstick comes in a sleek, travel-friendly tube, and it's packed with some pretty nourishing ingredients like vitamin E, Jojoba Seed Oil, and Meadowfoam Oil. These ingredients work together to keep your lips moisturized and healthy while giving you that bold, matte look. And if you're someone who's conscious about cruelty-free and vegan beauty products, you'll love that this lipstick fits the bill. It's 100% vegan and PETA approved, meaning no animal-derived ingredients and no animal testing. So, let's talk about how this lipstick feels on the lips. I've been using it for a few days now, and I've tested it in a couple of different settings. Throughout a busy workday, out to dinner, and just chilling at home. The first thing I noticed is how easy it is to apply. The tear-shaped applicator gives you a lot of precision, so it's pretty effortless to line your lips and fill them in. The texture is creamy when you first apply it, but it quickly sets into a smooth, comfortable matte finish that doesn't feel dry at all, which, if you've tried matte lipsticks before, you know can be a game changer. Now, let's address what everyone cares about when it comes to long-lasting lip color. How does it hold up? For me, this product definitely stood the test. I wore it for hours and was impressed that it didn't flake or fade significantly. I did have to reapply after meals, but it didn't require constant touch-ups throughout the day like some other mattes I've tried. The color, Chauffeur Nude, is this gorgeous deep nude that feels flattering on a variety of skin tones. It's bold but subtle, and it doesn't feel too heavy or overwhelming. There are a few things to note though. While it's got that beautiful soft focus finish, the formula can get a bit streaky if you try to build it up too much. I found that applying 1 or 2 layers gives you that full-bodied color without overloading the lips. It also tends to be a bit smudgy if you're not careful when you're pressing your lips together, but nothing that a quick touch-up can't fix. As for value for money, this liquid lipstick sits at a reasonable price point considering the formula's quality and the fact that it's vegan and cruelty-free. Given the lasting power, the moisturizing properties, and the gorgeous shade range, I'd say it's a solid buy for anyone who loves a good matte lipstick without the dryness or discomfort. But if you're looking for something similar at a lower price, there are a few other drugstore brands that offer matte formulas that also focus on moisturizing, though they might not have the same lasting power as this one. Still, if you're really after that ultra-comfortable matte feel and vegan formula, this one is worth it. Now, before I wrap up, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. To sum it all up, the Revolution Beauty London Air Blur Matte Liquid Lipstick in Chauffeur Nude does live up to its promises. It's comfortable, long-lasting, and leaves your lips looking smooth and vibrant without drying them out. The only real downside is the slight streakiness if you layer too much. But overall, this is a great choice for anyone looking for a cruelty-free, vegan matte lipstick that's easy to wear and maintain. Thanks for watching today's review. If you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I love hearing about your experiences. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see you next time on Beautyistic.